Ow. To you too.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck?
Hello?
What?
Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'ma check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
Don't step on my baby.
Excuse you. That is so rude. No, I do not want to play. I don't want to play. I told you this.
Oh my god.
Okay, muévete. Hendrix, come here. Come here. What happened? Hey guys, so guess what? Yesterday I went for a ride to Grandma's house, and when I got to Grandma's house, I showed her all the new dog toys I got, and then after I went for a walk to the dog park.
Top 10 dogs I would pet instead of my dog. None, because I love Maddie and only Maddie.
Hey, Sam!
Come here!
Sam! Sam! Babe, where's Sam at? Sam! Hey, Sam! Sam, where you at? Sam!
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I'm sorry.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
Bark at your dog.
Why is it spicy?
Bye, Winston. Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
No! God! No! Bark at your dog.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
You gotta lay it down. You're a jerk. You're ruining my plan.
Bark at your dog.
Oh, Dwayne, get out of my bed. Get out. Mom!
Bark at your dog.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Give your dog a round of applause and watch their reaction.
Hey, you liking the view, Mac? How's it look out there? You like that? Be careful, I might have to stop real soon. You never know.
Dog ready for a walk and pretend like you forgot them.